Guys, you don't need sweaty, hard exercise sessions to gain the benefits of physical activity. In fact, easy workouts for beginners are better choices when you're starting out. And you can do them at home or outdoors, whichever is better or more convenient for you. Today in Follow the Fives, let's talk about 5 exercises to lose weight if you are at a beginner level. Come, let's start. Number 1, step up. How to do it? Step up with the right foot pressing through the heel to straighten your right leg. Bring the left foot to meet your right foot on top of the step. Bend your right knee and step back with the left foot. Bring the right foot down to meet the left foot on the ground and go again. Number 2, dead bug. How to do it? Lie on your back with your arms skyward and legs raised and bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm behind you as you extend your left leg out in front. Exhale, then gently return to the starting position and repeat. This time extending the right leg and lowering your left arm behind you. Do 10 reps per leg. Number 3, pop squat. How to do it? Stand straight, feet slightly closer than hip width apart. Slowly jump and make your feet wider than hip width apart. Squat down and touch with your one hand on the floor. Look straight. Now quickly jump straight up in the air. Raise your both arms towards the ceiling at the same time. Feet closer than hip width apart. Repeat the same to complete the set. Number 4, jump lunges. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width apart with your core engaged. Take a big step forward with your right leg. Keep your arms by your side. Shift your weight forward with this leg so your heel touches the floor first. Then lower your body until the forward leg is parallel to the floor. This is the bottom position. Jump up, quickly switching the position of your feet while mid-air so your right leg moves back behind you and your left leg comes forward. To help you move explosively, propel your arms into the air while you jump. Gently land back on the floor in a basic lunge position with the opposite leg forward. Repeat this movement pattern, switching legs on each jump for the desired amount of time or repetitions. Number 5, butt kicks. How to do it? Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and face forward. Start kicking your feet up until the heels touch the glutes and pump your arms at the same time. Repeat until the set is complete. Hope you liked today's video. Make sure to be consistent and eat a balanced meal for better results. Do consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you before you try this at home. So which exercise are you planning to try next? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.